Do you know many people are having trouble with turning off their keyboard lights? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Launch app. Open the SteelSeries Engine app on your laptop. This app should already be installed on your MSI GE76 Raider. Step 2. Find Settings. Within the app, locate the section for keyboard settings or configurations related to your keyboard backlights. Step 3. Adjust brightness. Locate the option that controls your keyboard backlight brightness levels. Step 4. Use F11 key. Press the F11 key on your keyboard to gradually reduce the brightness until the lights are completely off. Step 5. Save changes. Explore the app for advanced lighting controls and profiles and save any changes you make. With these steps, you should now be able to turn off the keyboard lights on your MSI GE76 Raider. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other MSI users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.